Hi everyone. I just wanted to share my overall experience with the Adventure Academy. So initially, when I started preparing for my DHA exams, it was actually quite hard for me as I was always inconsistent, which was my biggest challenge. So to overcome this, I joined Adventure Academy. I think this was the best decision I have made because once I joined the academy, I started being consistent and I started with the basic classes. I try to see as much as videos as possible and also refer the notes for that. So one tip I want to add on here is when you're studying the basic classes and please um, make sure that you make a separate note for yourself with all the classifications and all the important points because once you do the revision it's practically not possible for you to study over again all over, like read everything again. So if you're making good notes, then it's something which can help you in your revision time. Um, also next one was the important questions and recently updated questions. So I had gone through all of these, along with the mock test. Mock test is something which you need to do at least 3 or 4 in a day. So practice makes man perfect, right? So you have to always be consistent with the mock test. You have to just not answer it. See why other answers are wrong. Because DHA usually asks questions which is twisted. Yeah, even the questions were similar. There were repeated questions from the files, but not everything. So you need to be sure if there is an MCQ in your file. So why that answer is wrong? Why it cannot be the correct answer? So what can be the side effects of that medicine? So something like that. So that's it. I wanted to thank uh, each each one from the Adventure Academy for supporting me in my overall journey. It was really very helpful, and to all the students who is preparing for the exam, it just takes like if you're consistent, 2 months of pure hard work will help you gain your results.